Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve x plus y minus under root xy is equals to 6, x square plus y square plus xy is equals to 84 and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start with today's video solution. So I'm considering this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So first I'm taking equation number 2. So x square plus y square plus xy. If I'll add and subtract xy in this equation, so it becomes x square plus y square plus 2xy minus xy is equals to 84. So here it becomes some formula of x plus y whole square minus xy. We can write it as under root xy whole square is equals to 84. Now it becomes an identity of a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So we can write this as x plus y plus under root xy or x plus y minus under root xy is equals to 84. Now from equation first, the value of x plus y minus under root xy is 6. So we can replace this bracket with 6. So x plus y plus under root xy times 6 is equals to 84. So x plus y plus under root xy is equals to 84 by 6, which is equals to 14. Now, this is my equation number 3. So from equation first, x plus y minus under root xy is equals to 6. So I'm going to add equation third and first. So x plus y minus under root xy plus x plus y plus under root xy is equals to 6 plus 14. So we can cancel out this. So 2x plus 2y is equals to 20. If I divide the equation by 2, so x plus y is equals to 10. This is my equation number 4. Now if I'll make equation y subtracting 3 from first, so x plus y plus under root xy minus x plus y minus under root xy is equals to 14 minus 6. So x plus y plus under root xy minus x minus y plus under root xy is equals to 14 minus 6 is 8. So we can cancel out this x with x, y with y. So 2 under root xy is equals to 8. So under root xy is equals to 4. Now we know that if we square this, so value of xy is 16. So if I use the identity x minus y whole square is equals to, we can write it as x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So x minus y whole square is equals to, in place of x plus y, I can write from equation number 4, 10. 10 square minus 4 times, and in place of xy, I can write 16. So x minus y whole square is equals to 100 minus 64, which is 36. So the value of x minus y is plus minus 6. So this is my equation number 5. So if I'll add 4 plus 5 equation, so x plus y plus x minus y is equals to 10 plus 6. So 2x is equals to 16, x is equals to 8. And if I subtract, if I put the value of x is equals to 8 in any of the equation, so from 4, x plus y is equals to 10, so y is equals to 2. And if we consider it -6, so the value of x is 10 minus 6 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. And when x is equals to 2, y is equals to 8. These are the values of x and y. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.